High-level entrepreneurs need high-protein meals. This entire pizza has just under 1,300 calories and over 115 grams of protein.
For this recipe, you'll need some flour, something to make the dough rise, and then a bunch of spices. This is what I've chosen to put in my pizza crust, but you can make your own choices. I do recommend the Italian as a base. Start off by weighing out your flour in a bowl and then adding your leavener to it. I'm going to give you exact amounts of ingredients at the end. For the spices, I pretty much just use how much I think is going to taste good. You're going to want to mix your dry ingredients all together and then add the wet. I got this yogurt by accident. I was going to use Greek yogurt, but this will work just fine. Stir it up until it's nice and mixed up, and then at the end it should look something like this. I coated the pan with a non-stick and then used wax paper to roll it out, and I just used a spaghetti sauce bottle to roll it. I'm pre-baking the dough here with an air fryer setting, but you can also do it in an oven. Add a couple tablespoons of your sauce, the lower calorie the better, and then you're going to be ready to add your toppings and bake the rest of the pizza. "12 minutes on the pizza setting at 190 for this oven is what I'm using. You're basically going to bake it till that cheese is nice and golden brown, and then get ready to screenshot the ingredients.
When you're eating delicious foods like this, your diet is 100% easier to stick to. So follow me for more recipes.